Hey there, kids! Welcome again to our mathematics class. Last time, we taught you how to count and how to add numbers. And we heard some of your requests for more.
That's right. So today, we will continue our lesson in adding a single-digit number. But this time, you will do most of the challenges. Are you ready?
I know you are all ready now. But, as usual, let us first have a review of the previous lesson. So, please answer this problem. Sandy has 2 candies. Matthew has 4 candies. And Laura has only 1 candy. How many candies do they have in total?
Let's count their candies. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. They have 7 candies in total.
What about 6 plus 3? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9.
Great job, kids! It is now your time to solve our challenges. You have 10 seconds to answer each. Feel free to type your answers in the comment box below. Ready? What is 1 plus 5? One plus 5 is equal to 6.
Now, can you solve the equation 7 plus 2? Let's see if you got it correct. 7 plus 2 equals 9.
Here's another question. 3 plus 4 is equal to what? Three plus 4 is equal to 7. Awesome, kids! This time, we will increase the difficulty of problems just a little bit.
What is 7 plus 5 equal to? Let's check your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Good work!
Can you try to solve this word problem? As I was walking to the park, I saw my friends, Carl, Nash, Ben, Neil, and Jerry. How many friends did I see while going to the park? Time's up. The correct answer is 5. Carl, Nash, Ben, Neil, and Jerry. That makes 5.
For your last challenge today, solve this problem. Patrick is transferring all the books into his new bookshelf. He has 6 books on his table and another 6 books on his chair. How many books does he have in total? All right, let's check your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12.
Wow, you did an amazing job, kids! Congratulations! You received your 1-digit addition completer badge.
Congrats, kids! Your badge looks great! See y'all again next time!
Great job, kids!